My first question from Team C. When did Qaid leave for England for higher studies?
1896.
No, it's incorrect. It's December 1892. Question number 2. In which bank did Qaid open his account upon arrival in England?
Royal Bank, Scotland.
Royal Bank of Scotland, correct answer. Question number 3. When did Qaid's political career begin?
Uh, 1896.
Wrong, it's 1906. Okay. Question number 4. Why did he resign? He means Quaid-e-Azam resign from Congress. Why did Quaid-e-Azam resign from Congress? What was the reason?
Because he joined Muslim League.
No, no, this wasn't the reason. He resigned in protest of Gandhi's resolution of non-cooperation movement against British regime. Okay, question number 5 from Team C. When was the first round table conference held? Very easy question.
1930.
1930, correct answer. Question number 6 and last question from Team C. Where was the annual convention of Muslim League held in 1941? Be quick.
Repeat.
Where was the annual convention of Muslim League held in 1941? Where it was held? कहाँ हुआ था?
Calcutta.
No, it was in Madras. Okay, so, Ma'am Saima, what are the results?
2 are correct out of 6.
Out of 6, 2 are correct. So let's see how Team D is going to perform. Okay, Team B again. 6 question from you as well. Question number 1. When did Jinnah join Lincoln's Inn?
June 25, 1893. 93.
93. Correct answer. Question number 2. Who had inaugurated Qaid's House Museum?
Hakim Mohammad Said.
Correct answer. Very good. Question number 3. When did Qaid become a member of Orient Club Bombay?
1902.
Very good. Correct answer. Clap. Don't be miser. Don't be generous. Question number 4. Where was two-nation theory presented?
Ahmedabad.
Ahmedabad. Correct answer. Ma'am Saima, you didn't bring the audience. Okay. Question number 5. Question number 5 from Team D. When did Qaid chair first meeting of Constituent Assembly of Pakistan?
August 12, 1947.
Again, bit loudly.
August 12, 1947.
Correct answer. August 12, 1947. Last question from you. Who had administered the oath from Qaid as Governor General of Pakistan?
Justice Sir Abdul Rashid.
Very correct answer. Justice Sir Abdul Rashid.
6 out of 6.
6 out of 6. Very good. So our second winner is Team D. So next round will be held between Team B and Team D.